Headaches and migraines leave anyone without knowing what to do, often even leaving them incapacitated. But did you know that it is possible to use a single ingredient to alleviate these evil conditions? The most common headache is associated with tension of the muscles, reaching the head, the scalp, and even the neck. But when the pain is accompanied by other symptoms such as nausea, photophobia, phonophobia, and vomiting, it is more likely to be a migraine. A headache can take 1 day or up to 72 hours to disappear, but the good news is that you will no longer need to self-medicate to end it. Just use lemon and Himalayan salt. Both ingredients have properties that can help to reduce tension, improve circulation, and significantly reduce the headache. All you will need to prepare the mixture is a squeezed lemon, water, and salt, preferably Himalayan salt. After that, just mix and drink. Drink quickly without leaving anything in the glass. The flavor may be a little unpleasant, but the remedy will act fast. Now you're probably wondering, why can't I use the common salt that is normally used in the kitchen? This is simple. The Himalayan salt is much richer than the refined salt. It contains more than 80 different types of minerals, including magnesium, which helps to soothe aches and inflammation, and less sodium content. Are you enjoying the video? Did you like the recipe? How about clicking like on the video and sharing it with your friends? In addition to this recipe with lemon, its seeds can also be a great solution for relieving headaches. Find out how. Lemon seed tea and citrus fruits such as orange and tangerine are rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, and natural anti-inflammatories that are very effective to fight against headaches. Here's how to prepare the recipe. Ingredients: 10 tangerine seeds, 10 orange seeds, 10 lemon seeds. How to prepare it. Place the seeds in a container and bake it for 10 minutes or until they're completely dry. After that, place them in the blender until they turn to dust and store them in a well-enclosed glass container. When a headache arises, place 1 teaspoon of this powder in a cup and cover it with boiling water. Cover, let it cool down, strain it, and drink the tea 30 minutes before your 3 main meals, during the whole period of the headache crisis, and after 3 days. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.